Statement 40. Seek positivity. Every morning when you wake up, find something positive to feed yourself with. Take in some inspirational words. Look at some beautiful art. Give yourself something good first thing in the morning. The first 20 minutes of your day are so crucial. They shape how you see the entire day. If you happen to run through that opportunity, seek positivity throughout your day. People have cultivated the belief that motivational speakers are cheesy and fake. They don't realize having that mindset is keeping them from people who are constantly putting out positive vibes. If you actually listen to good motivational speakers, they let you know that life is not always the best, that they are not perfect, but that they can make it through hard times. And so can you. That's so much better than filling your ears with the constant noise of people in your physical environment who are always speaking on being stuck in the struggle and how life is so hard. Seek positivity, and your life will attract more positivity naturally. And your life will attract more positivity naturally.